In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. We'll walk through each step together so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident managing your Teamspaces efficiently. So, let's dive in. First, open your Notion workspace where you have admin or owner access. As you are well aware, Notion is a powerful tool for organizing and collaborating, but with power comes the responsibility to maintain clean and efficient workspaces. Deleting a Teamspace isn't something you should do lightly. Make sure this is the right decision for your team and that you've backed up any vital data. Once you're certain, you can proceed. Navigate over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your main point of access to all your spaces. Keep in mind that deleting a Teamspace will permanently remove all its contents, so take a moment to verify you have the correct Teamspace you wish to eliminate. You can scroll through your list if you have multiple spaces until you find the one you intend to delete. Now, hover your mouse over the Teamspace name. You should see a few icons or options appear. This is normal, just part of Notion's dynamic interface to keep your workspace uncluttered unless you need to access specific features. There, you'll notice a three-dot menu or an ellipsis button. This serves as your gateway to additional settings and configurations. Click on that three-dot menu, and a drop-down will appear. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Settings Members. After clicking on it, you'll be directed to a new page showing details about the space, the members who have access, permissions, and a few more administrative controls. Once you're on the Settings Members page, you should see an option that says Delete Teamspace at the bottom or somewhere visible depending on your version of Notion. Now, take a deep breath. This is your point of no return. Click on Delete Teamspace, and you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. As a safeguard, Notion asks for confirmation to ensure that you didn't click incorrectly. Review the message carefully, and if you're ready to proceed, confirm your choice. And that wraps up how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. With a few precautions and thoughtful steps, you've managed to tidy up your workspace while preserving your essential data elsewhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing or sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.